Promptly AI is one of the most talked about AI software tools just released, and today we're diving into 7 crucial things you need to know about it. Whether you're a digital marketer, content creator, or just someone curious about new AI tools, this is going to be a game changer for you. Stick around because I'm going to break down everything that makes Promptly AI stand out and how you can use it to your advantage. First off, Promptly AI is designed to make automating content generation a breeze. One of the key selling points is how quickly it can generate text-based content for your website, social media posts, and more. Unlike other tools that take forever to spit out results, Promptly AI produces high-quality, coherent content almost instantly. But here's the twist. What makes it different from similar tools is its ability to understand nuances in your requests. You can feed it a prompt and it'll adapt to your tone, style, and even the specifics of the audience you're targeting. Whether you're aiming for a formal blog post or a casual social media caption, it nails it with accuracy, which is crucial in maintaining your brand voice. Now let's talk about one of the most exciting features, its integration with multiple platforms. You're not just limited to writing blogs or posts. Promptly AI can directly integrate with tools like WordPress and various social media management platforms. This feature saves you time, allowing you to generate content and push it live without jumping between multiple apps. Another huge plus is the ease of use. For anyone who's intimidated by AI tools, Promptly AI simplifies the process with a clean, user-friendly interface. You don't need to be a tech expert to get started. It's intuitive and allows you to hit the ground running, making it perfect for businesses, small teams, and solo entrepreneurs. When it comes to data security, Promptly AI has a strong track record. All of your content is secure, and they make it clear that they respect privacy. This is a crucial point for any business that's handling sensitive data, or for anyone concerned about AI tools collecting too much personal information. What sets Promptly AI apart is its unique customization feature. You can fine-tune the software to your specific business needs. This includes keyword integration, ideal for improving SEO, and the ability to tailor content to various niches. So, whether you're writing for tech, lifestyle, or any other niche, Promptly can adjust to match the vibe and keywords you're aiming for. Another thing that impressed me is its learning curve, or rather, the lack of one. You can get started immediately, and while the results are great right out of the gate, the more you use it, the better it gets at understanding your preferences. This means that over time, your output will become even more aligned with your goals. Finally, let's talk pricing. While it's relatively new, Promptly AI offers an incredible opportunity to try it for free. The first link in the description gives you access to a free trial, so you can test out all the features before committing to a paid plan. For what it offers, it's one of the best free trials available in the AI software space right now. I've tried thousands of AI tools over the years, and Promptly AI has made its mark as one of the most efficient and powerful options out there. If you want to explore even more tools like this, I've included my recommended AI software in the description below. You can try them for free and see how they compare. Promptly AI Review: 7 crucial things you need to know. It's clear this software is one to watch in 2025. Make sure to check out the free trial through the first link in the description below.